All right, take a look at this Corvette in at Unique Specialty and Classics. Here we have a 2014 Corvette Stingray Coupe. Very nice looking black on black car, chrome wheels. Now this particular car, a little background about it, it is a one owner car, adult owned and driven. The folks that bought this car brand new are from our area. They have a house here in Minnesota. In the winters, falls, they would head out to California, also to a place in California. So the majority of this car being driven is between Minnesota and California, and then some when they were at each location. So no, never been driven in any sort of inclement weather. It's about 64,000 miles roughly. Clean Carfax, no accidents, no paint work, anything like that. Again, one owner, adult driven, clean Carfax, very nice car. Now this particular one is powered by a 6.2 liter, of course, 455 horse, 460 foot-pounds of torque. So of course these cars will get up and move, fun car to drive. Come down in price quite a bit from what they were brand new, so you can enjoy a nice C7 car for not breaking the bank like they used to have to. Now, if you want to see the underside pictures, engine bay, interior, check out all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and this listing of the car. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to help you out with this. Paint, very nice shape. I mean, it's black. You're going to find a few imperfections here and there and has been driven. You're going to have some very light, chips up front, but the gentleman that owned this took very good care of it. Would touch them up. Good coat of wax. Wheels aren't full of curb rash, anything like that. Riding on Michelins. Those are also in nice shape. Of course, this has a removable roof panel. Now that 6.2 liter underneath the hood is paired with the 6-speed paddle shift transmission with automatic mode, so ultimately a 6-speed automatic transmission, and then of course with the paddle shift, so you can kind of drive it like a manual yet too. Center dump exhaust sounds great on this car. Now remember, we do consider trades. This actually came in on trade on a lower mile Corvette that we had here that they liked, and we can also assist you in getting this car transported to where you're located at. Financing is available, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us on that. As you can see, paint has a nice luster to it. Nice looking car. Some of the equipment on this one, heads-up display, of course, heated and ventilated seats, dual climate control, Bose system, memory settings on the driver's side. Like I mentioned earlier, the chrome wheels, as you can see. So nicely equipped one too. Leather seats, power seats. So let's go ahead and take a look at the interior of this, and we'll start it up so you can hear it run also. So here, take a look at what kind of shape the interior is. This is a shadow here, obviously. That's not stained or anything like it. It's a shadow from the steering wheel. But I just wanted to show you this bolster. Lots of times these will wear. This one, very nice shape. Corvette still plate. Of course, here was the memory seat or memory settings. And again, Bose stereo, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, of course. There's your heads-up display controls. 61,408. Excuse me. I was thinking it was 64,000. 61,408 for original miles. There is no warning indicators or engine lights or anything like that on. It's going to just be a low fuel and my seat belt light that will flash. Radio and navigation, media, touch screen, all of that good stuff. Here's your dual climate control. Ventilated and heated seats, automatic shifter here. Of course, here's your paddle shift up on the steering wheel, all the steering wheel controls. Alright, see the dash is a nice shape. Interior is great on this car. Let's go ahead and slip around out back. I want you to hear this car run. Listen to that. Nice little rumble coming out of that 6.2 liter. Fun cars to drive. I'm going to go ahead and pause this a second. I want to pop the hood and at least let you take a look at the engine bay, see how nice and tidy and well taken care of that is also. Alright, let's take a look underneath the hood. Pretty much spotless. No crazy cold air intakes, major modifications up here underneath the hood. Just nice and tidy, just what you'd expect from a well taken care of and well serviced car. I also opened the deck lid, rear deck lid. I want you to take a peek in there too, and I can show you that just because this car is so clean and nice. No stains or anything like that on the carpeting back here. It does have the cargo net is intact here, and of course kind of the security privacy cover if you wanted to cover the rear cargo area, that's also in it. So very well, nice taken care of Corvette. So there you go, 2014 one owner Stingray coupe, just a tad over 61,000 miles. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find the still pictures. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the pictures. Of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email us. Look forward to hearing from you on this beauty.